just want to use this means to tell you guys that all these pictures you're going to be seeing on this video have been uploaded and posted on my YouTube channel. The footwear, the bags, the leather bags, the quilted bags, the Ankara bucket bags, the tote bags, the purses, the accessory, virtually everything here, and even more that are not on this video be posted and uploaded, and some of them have live streamed on my YouTube channel. Guys, if you have not watched it, please, I know most of my subscribers are new subscribers. Ensure you go through this and watch most of them. They are very important. Some of these videos are very beginner friendly. Ensure you watch them. And you can also go through the playlist. They are arranged accordingly on my playlist. Even this makeup bag is on my YouTube channel. This particular bag that has flap is there. Everything here is there. Just make sure you go through the playlist. It's complete, especially this bag has part 1, 2 and 3. Once you go through the playlist, you're able to understand the way I arranged them. And guys, I'm so sorry that I have not been posting for a long time according to the promise I made. I'm just been down for a while. I've never gone to my shop, so for the live stream it will soon commence. Once I recovered and resumed to work, I'm so going to commence the live stream. And also very soon I'm going to be uploading consistently, just trying to recover from a bit illness. Okay, how you guys? Hope you guys are doing well. I really missed you guys. So the purpose of this video is just to tell you guys to go watch my videos. All of these videos you are seeing are on my YouTube channel and also my community tab. Very important. There are some very crucial and important write-up I have on my community tabs. If you have not been following, if you have not been reading the write-up on my community, please make sure you engage on my community tabs, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell. That's very important, so you can be notified whenever I upload new videos. Sometimes I upload videos and you guys are not aware. Just that is because you have not turned on your notification bell. Make sure you turn your notification bell on and make sure you watch every of my video. I beg of you, it's not something that is I'm forcing you guys to do. Make sure you watch every of my video from the beginning to the end, not to miss out of any part of this video. Hi you guys, this is a new month, December. I'm so grateful on behalf of every of my subscriber and family that God has allowed us, giving us the grace to see the last month of 2023. I wish you guys the best, and I pray that we are all going to celebrate 2023. Did I just mention 2022? No. Okay, we are going to celebrate the beginning of 2023 to the end, and even more years with our family in Jesus' name. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to turn on the notification bell. Do not forget to engage on my community tab, and very soon I'm going to be rating TOTE. Especially I've done one on my community tab on audio. I used an audio like a podcast to explain how the various interfaces we have. I'm also going to be blogging very soon. I'm posting everything on my community tab, both the audio, the podcast and blogs, including videos too, so just make the learning and the teaching easy, especially for beginners. Thanks for watching today's video, today's pictures, and God bless you all for loving me, and I love you guys back.